Me the scientist here, and I accidentally got 100 cookie cutters in my quest tab, so we're gonna be spending all of that, and we're gonna get so much cookies. Anyway, this YouTuber named Callan Doodles, go subscribe to him. I'm doing a collab with him, so you'll see that happen. So let's basically just start drawing with pen. Okay, nothing good. Let's our ninth try. Of course we got a new cookie. Let's go. We're at least gonna get 3 cookies. Wait, what cookie is this? You guys already know what cookie this is? Oh my, oh no. What cookie is this? Frank egg cookie? Oh, it's matcha cookie. Damn, this is a good cookie. Got that? Straw. Okay. Oh my god, we're not getting, last time we got 4 cookies. I'm surprised we're not getting like Amy. We're not even getting Amy.
Let's plant a tree.
Oh, let's go, we got a new one. Herb cookie, let's go.
Welcome to my garden.
No new cookie. 2 more attempts. 2 more attempts. 1 more attempt. Okay. Now let's just draw a quick 2 extra. Ooh. And another one. Okay. That's all we got. And now we have 2 extra. And then after that we had 4 extras. Let's go see what's in my free gift. Nice. And let's go to my mileage shop. And let's make my sister jealous. By unlocking crepe cookie, where is it? By unlocking strawberry crepe cookie. Let's get the cookie. No, I didn't mean to go to storage. No, not to press cookies. Now let's unlock strawberry crepe cookies. Cookie, I meant. Get happy, happy, happy. Happy. I'm gonna show my sister after this video.
Boring.
Anyway, then now let's play around. I'm doing a collab with Callan Doodles. Guys, you know that like YouTuber Radiant Raylan or whatever? I want to do collab, so yeah. There are 2 YouTubers I want to do collab, Callan Doodles, which I eventually is coming, I guess. And then we have Radiant Raylan. Which is, I don't know how to pronounce it, but another YouTuber. Okay. They both have more subscribers than me. Only done one collab. Next one is Miles. That's it. If you are a YouTuber, then you can ask me if you want to collab in the comment section, because I always read the comments. If you feel like your comments aren't read, they're always read. I always read the comments. Also, remember that Kids Pop video? I'm sorry, but I actually like my own videos. Yeah, I'm gonna stop doing that after this video's out. Or should I? Anyway, how do you unlock the clothes shop? Like what's it called? Yeah, how do you like unlock the skin gacha, like the clothes gacha? Because you're supposed to unlock it like on episode 2, and I have no idea how to unlock it. Look, how do you unlock costumes? What do you mean boutique opening quest? Anyway, we're gonna buy 9 mileages of the new cookie. Alright, gotcha. 9 mileages. What cookie should I get this time? Cookie should I unlock? I'm thinking. Cookies already have. I'm gonna get the donut one. Space donut. Bye guys, I'm Amoeba Scientist. Have a good night because I'm gonna be under your bed.